We'll look at a breakaway kit today. This is a Hopkins 2100, whatever breakaway kit, sent to me by Johnson Trailer Parts. I requested it. He was kind enough to send me one. Let's just pull this out of the box. This is the full breakaway kit. It has the battery box and the pin switch. Looks like we need to start with clipping some zip ties. Pin switch is a pretty cool concept, and use this cable here and the little pin then to actuate it. So the pin goes in like so, it snaps in. That breaks electrical conductivity to these two. If and when something was to happen and the trailer was to come loose from the car, the tow vehicle, that pops out and that closes the switch inside, which then actuates the brakes. So here's the battery box. This is what they call a front mount, or side mount, I guess. The concept is that it mounts on the side of a beam. There are other ones that mount on the bottom. There are some that mount on the side that have a top lid. So you can get them in different configurations. You just need to get one that matches the needs for your trailer. This particular one, again, it mounts to the side. It mounts on this face here, and it has the side opening. This is the lid here. I'm not sure how you'd get to that from underneath the trailer, but that's how that pops off. So it's got a lid and a main box. Inside it we have a battery. You can see that the battery is wired up. Fairly simple battery. Has a little PC board here that acts as the charger. That charger then just maintains this battery and makes sure that it's got a charge all the time. Basically, this battery is to supply power to the brakes should there be a disconnect, so that the brakes then have the power. Because if obviously if you've disconnected from your tow vehicle, then you no longer have power from the tow vehicle. These then wires just then hook into your system. So the white is the ground wire. It goes to the white wire on your trailer connection. You can look at mechanical-elements.com for the wiring diagram and see all that, how it's connected. The black is sometimes red. That is the 12 volts that comes from the tow vehicle. That 12 volts is used to power this, or to charge the battery, make sure it's charged. And then the blue wire is the brake wire. It connects into the brake circuit. Pretty simple. I like this particular box because it has the venting at the top and it has a couple of holes. You can see those, I think, at the bottom down inside, that would allow any moisture to get out if any moisture did get in there. Not a good place for a puddle, but these batteries are pretty tolerant of a little bit of moisture, like humidity and that kind of thing. Anyway, let's that connects on, snaps back in, and away we go. So that's the thing. For a little more security, you can wrap some zip ties or something through these little holes to make sure that it can't or won't come off. Anyway, so there's our Hopkins breakaway kit. I'm actually kind of impressed by it. Everything except this little plastic pin. That doesn't entice me too terribly much, but it is what it is. Most of them are that way, so.